Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix wireless adapter missing issues in Windows 10 PC. So to fix this error in your Windows 10 PC or laptop, firstly click on Start, then type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now select Network Adapter, then click on Action and click on Scan for hardware changes. Now close it, and this method will not work, so try another method. Right click on Taskbar, then click on Task Manager. In here click on File, click on Run New Task, type CMD. Check this box, then click on OK. Now you need to type netsh space WinShock reset and press enter. You will see successfully reset the WinShock catalog. Now close it and restart your PC. If this both method will not work, so try another one. Click on Restart, then type Services. Open Services. Scroll down. Now you will see WW and auto config. Double click on it. Now you will see startup type, so select automatic, then click on start, then apply, and then OK. Now close it. And friends, still you are facing error and your issues is not resolved, so try another one. Right click on taskbar and task manager. Now click on file and click on run new task, type CMD. Check this box and make OK. Now type netcfg space -d and press enter. Now you will see some error. So again you type this command netcfg space -d and enter. And third time you need to type this similar command netcfg -d and make enter. So friends, hopefully by using this all method, this wireless adapter missing error will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.